Hello friends, hope you all are okay. So in this video I will discuss about electrochemical series, and I will give you a trick or a memory trick so that you can easily remember the electrochemical series. As we know, the lithium is the most reducing element, and the fluorine here you can see is the most oxidizing agent. So from lithium to fluorine we have the SRP, that is reduction potential increases. Here we have the minimum SRP, and here you can see the maximum SRP, that is of fluorine. Fluorine get readily get reduced, and hence it is the most oxidizing agent as it readily get reduced. As it is having the most SRP, that is most reducing sorry most standard reduction potential. So you can see here a trick I have written here. लिथियम ले के भारत सरकार का नाम अली मांगे, अली मकान पानी में जानकर फेंके, सीढ़ी कोई नीचे सुन प्रभात है. This is what the trick is, and now I am extending the trick here. CHAP, chapa, chapa. You can also extend this trick as chapa. That is C4 copper, H4 Hg, A4 Ag. Okay. So in this manner you can also extend this trick, and now go from bottom to top, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. In this manner, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so this is what the trick is. Here we have one thing which is to be noted is the SRP of H2. Where is H2? We have here H2. Here we have the SRP is taken 0, that is standard reference potential. We take it as 0. Above it we have negative potential, negative SRP, negative standard reduction potential, and below this we have positive standard reduction potential. Okay, so hydrogen is all the more important thing here we have. Okay, so from here one more point we can conclude. As we know that lithium is having the most lithium is the most reducing agent. It means it is the highly, or it can readily oxidize. Means it can readily oxidize. What does it mean? It just means it is the most metallic. It is the element which is having the most metallic character. Means the most metallic element is the lithium. From here we can conclude. So the most reactive metal is lithium. Okay, and from ECS we can see here F2 is the most oxidizing agent. That is, I can say the dawn of oxidizing industry is the F2. That is, the most oxidizing agent is F2. It can reduce itself readily. So it is what it can take electrons. That is why it is the most non-metal element. So most reactive non-metal is F2. From ECS, one more thing which we can conclude is more reactive metal or non-metal can displace less reactive metal or non-metal. This is we can conclude from here. Like we are taking here an example, that is copper, the reaction of copper with AgNO3, and what we see here is Ag is getting replaced by copper. That means what? Copper is more reactive than Ag. That is why Ag was replaced by copper, because copper is more reactive. Why so? Because chapa copper Ag, copper is more reactive, Ag is less reactive, so copper can displace Ag. So here also you see copper is doing what? Copper is displacing Ag from AgNO3 and taking the place with NO3. Okay, so because of which copper nitrate is formed. Okay, but the reverse reaction is not possible. Why? The reason is same. Okay, so the next one example is also the same. You can see the ECS where you can see Cl2 and I2. Both are the non-metal. So Cl2 is more reactive. So Cl2 is more reactive than I2, as both are non-metal. So Cl2 can replace I from Ki, but the reverse is not possible. Thank you.